Hello students, welcome to Absolute Classes of English. In today's video, I will teach you about business letters. Second type of business letter is sending quotation. So when in response to inquiry or price, when a business organization is writing to the person or the company, sending the price list, this type of letter is known as sending quotation. Okay.
Do you want to know?
Now I will tell you about second type of business letter. Second type of business letter is sending quotation. Okay, sending quotation means sending the reply of price, terms and condition asked by any organization or any school. So the question was that principal of a school has written to you a letter asking about the price, terms and conditions of sports goods. Okay, so you are the sales manager. You are the sales manager and you are giving response to that principal of the school. What is the price, terms and condition in response to this letter. So the format will remain the same. Sender address you are writing from on behalf of the company. The company is Sports India Limited. So Sports India Limited, Meerut. This will be sender address, and after leaving one line you will mention date, and after leaving one line you will write reference number. Reference number will be any number. For example, Sports India Limited, in short, SIL or oblique 3456. And then you will write addressee who will receive the letter. The principal of the school will receive the letter. So you will mention the principal, Sunrise Public School, Meerut. So this is the addressee. And subject, so write subject, and again subject, you will write a heading. The subject is sending quotation. Sending quotation or quotation of sports goods. Quotation of sports goods. And then salutation. Salutation will remain the same. Dear sir. Dear sir oblique madam. Okay, and then you will start para wise, para 1, 2 and 3, and then thanking you, yours faithfully, name and sign. Your name is, for example, R.N. Sharma. You are the sales manager. R.N. Sharma, the sales manager, Sports India Limited. In this way you will make the format. The format is the same, and then you will start writing the letter from para 1. What will be in the para 1 of this letter? I am describing here. Para 1 is reference to letter received. You have received the letter from the principal. So you will give a reference. You will give a reference to that letter. This is in response to your letter. This is in response to your letter number. Any imaginary number in response to your letter number SRPS 1234 regarding the queries of price, terms and condition of sports goods. We have received your letter on dated this. And then you will write a sentence about intro of your company, because first time you are writing this letter to that school. So first time you will give introduction. This is the first time you are making this correspondence. So you will mention about your company. Your company is Sports India Limited. On behalf of your company, you will write introduction. Sports India Limited is a leading company in the field of sales and manufacturing of sports goods. So in this way you can write a sentence about the introduction of your company. Sports India Limited is a very leading company in the field of sales and manufacturing of sports goods. And then para 2. In paragraph 2 you will make a tabulation. You will make a tabulation about the item, code and price. So this will be the first serial number, item, code, price. So see, for example, serial number 01, item football. So football, which one football? Any code? Puma. You can write the name of brand, football, Puma, price 2000 per piece. Okay? Serial number 01, item football, code Puma, 2000 per piece. So you are writing about the prices. So in this way you will make a table, and tabular form you will write about at least 4 items. So you can mention 4 items in this way. And next item may be 02 football, cricket bat, which one? Any other company, and price. So in this way you will mention 4 items, 4 sports items, and write about their detail. Serial number, item, code and price. Okay, so at least 4 items you will mention in this way. Okay, para 3 now. Para 3 you will, because this is in response to the queries, queries by the school principal. So he has asked you about various things such as advance payment, mode of payment, discount, credit facility, transportation charges, safety of goods, samples being sent. So you will reply about all these queries one by one in sentences. For example, you will make a sentence in para 3. In para 3, you will make a sentence about advance payment. So our company will provide, you have to pay at least 50% advance payment. Okay, yeah, this is necessary to give 50% advance payment, and then mode of payment, advance payment through check. All payments will be made through check or demand draft. You can make a sentence. So advance payment amount and mode of payment, you will make a sentence. You have to pay in this way. You have to pay in through demand draft or through check. Discount available. What kind of discount you can give? Our company will give you 10% discount on bulk purchase. Our company can give you 20% discount on bulk purchase in this way. Credit facility. How much credit facility your company can provide? So we can provide you credit facility for 1 month, for 2 months, or 10 days, or 15 days. You can make a sentence. Our company can provide you credit facility for 1 month. Transportation charges. So you will write about whether transportation charges are included or not included. So you can make a sentence. Transportation charges are not included in the price list. Okay, transportation charges are not included in the price list. You have to pay separately. You have to pay separately transportation charges. Safety of goods. Our company is not responsible for any damage happening due to transportation. Safety and security of goods transported lies with the transportation company. You can make a sentence. Safety and security of goods, delivery of goods lies with the transportation company. Our company is not responsible for safety and security of goods. This lies to transportation company. Samples being sent, we are also sending you few available samples. You can make a sentence. We are also sending you a few available samples. Give a deadline. Deadline is any date. Give a deadline to place order and avail benefit. So you can your order should reach. If you are satisfied with our price terms and condition, your order should reach to us within 10 days. Within 10 days, and so that you can avail all the benefits and discount and credit facility. Or you can make a sentence. If you want to avail credit facility, and discount available, you should place your order within 10 days. This type of sentence can be made. Okay, and then closing. After leaving this para here, you will make a closing sentence. Closing sentence separately in separate line. Closing sentence in the same way with hope and request. We hope for a quick and positive response from your side. We hope for a quick and positive response from your side. So this is the way, this is the format, and this is the content of sending quotation. Okay. I hope that you would have liked this video. So please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Absolute Classes of English, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for new and further educational updates. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.